Continuing from where we left off in the last video for this lesson, we need to make it now so that the fire will grow when we get the answer correct and shrink when we get the answer wrong. If I press the green flag now, when the questions start, if I answer it correctly, it grows. But if I answer it incorrectly, it still grows. This is because we still have a positive 10 in both of these change size buy blocks. And it's growing at such a small amount that for only having 10 questions, it's never going to touch the spaceship. You can either add more questions, or you can change this number to something larger, like 50. And whatever you put in here to make it grow, put the same number in the second one, but make it negative. Then, when we press the green flag and run the code, you will see that answering it correctly makes it grow, and answering it wrong makes it shrink. However, if you noticed, it was asking the same question over and over again, and it was always the first question of our list. What we want to do is we want it so that after we ask the question, we actually make it so that it goes to the next question. We're storing what number question we're on with this variable question number, right? Well, why don't we change it by 1 and add 1 to it? To do that, we go to Data and pull out the orange block that says Change Question Number by 1. And we want to place this outside of the if-else statement, but still inside the loop. And we don't have to change this number because we do want it to be adding only 1 to it. And now when I run the code, you will see that I can answer it correctly, and it's always a different question that's popping up. And when I hit the spaceship, it stops growing. And that is all for lesson 4. In the next lesson, we will be making the rocket ship actually blast off and have the fire congratulate the player upon their win.